How do you feel completing a whole unit only to realize the test due tomorrow won't be happening because tomorrow is a holiday? Hey there, myself Niharika Raj, a second year medical student at NMCH Bihar. And today in this video, this is a very random video. Today in this video, we will be talking about my first year experience, my first day at college, and how it is. I thought of making this video. What could be better use if you are sleepless and record it? So here I am recording my first day at college. It was 5th September 2018. I took admission in a private medical college. Counseling was on 26th August. It was Raksha Bandhan. And somehow, at the very end of counseling, we decided yes, we will be taking admission in private medical college. I belong to a very mediocre family. And taking admission in a private medical college was financially a very big burden. But blessed to have such a parent, I got admission. On 28th, there was all the procedure going on in the college, and we reported to the college at around 10. By 5 in the evening, everything was done, and we returned back to our home. My home and my college is around 150 to 180 kilometers, but by road, it takes around 6 to 7 hours. So on 5th, college started on 1st of September, and I was late. I went to college on 5th of September because my college is situated around 15 kilometers at a distance, at a rural distance from the main town. So we gathered all the things we wanted that are required to stay in hostel, and we went to college on 5th September, that is Teachers' Day. We reached there at around 10 or 11 in the morning, and students were returning back to hostel due to the work given assigned to them by the seniors for the decoration of Teachers' Day. I was already late. I was not having any friend, and I was panicked. What will I be doing all alone? Mummy, Didi, Daddy, and me were there. Daddy was in waiting room because males are not allowed in female hostels. So Daddy was there in waiting room. Me, Didi, and Mummy were all busy in setting up the room. My roommate have arrived already 3 days ago, and she was all settled in. I saw her and we were like, hello, hello. We introduced ourselves, and she said, get ready. We have to leave for the multipurpose hall as we have been assigned work by our seniors. Didi asked, attendance milegi kya? And she was like, hello, ma'am. Ma'am, pata nahi attendance ka to. She was like, okay. Didi said, you don't need to go. Take rest. After this long journey, कुछ नहीं होना है, seniors कुछ नहीं करेंगे. I was chill. चलो ठीक है. But then a group of seniors came and they were like, अरे बच्चे लोग चलो जल्दी चलो काम करना है, all those stuff. And my sister was like, हाँ किसने बोला, क्या बोला? And my seniors seriously thought my sister is a PG1 because we were UG1 and the very same day PG1 also arrived. So they were like, ये लगता है कोई new PG1 है. And they were like, नहीं मैम जाना ज़रूरी नहीं है, देख लो आप. Still, I went there, enjoyed a lot. There was a function on Teachers' Day, interacted with a lot of teachers. It was quite fun. Came back, Mummy, Daddy said goodbye, Didi said goodbye, and they went. And for the very first time in my life, I was all alone. I have never stayed a single day in my life without them. And here I am, all alone in hostel. Don't know what to do, no friends at all. I had a very supporting roommate. She was a bit mature than me. And she told me what to do, what not to do, how to behave in hostel, how to be on your own. We went for dinner in mess. It was around 8, and I interacted with a few people. They went on 6th. 6th was actually the first day in college academically, and we had our first class of physiology lecture. We were studying something about nerve conduction, basics that we already studied in our plus 1 plus 2. It was all going above my head because I was not getting what teacher was trying to tell, because I have not had experience with such kind of teaching system. They were using PowerPoint presentations, case scenarios, and what all. Somehow 8 to 9 passed, first period done. 9 to 10 was, I guess, biochemistry lecture, and I loved biochemistry. It was something related to chemistry, and back in 11-12, I loved biochemistry. I loved chemistry and physics, not exactly biochemistry. That biochemistry portion, which was in our chemistry syllabus, I loved it. And we were studying something about carbohydrates. I was very enthusiastic. I gave a lot of answers. So teacher was also quite impressed. Actually, a lot of students were giving answers, not only me, but also I was very happy. Then 9 to 11, I guess we had our first dissection and we went to dissection hall. I am telling you that smell was horrible. The formalin was like itching in your eyes. We went there for the very first time. We saw the lab assistants, the pune and lab assistants brought cadaver to our dissection hall after our associate and HOD gave them the orders to bring the cadavers. Cadaver is something, actually, what I'm saying. Cadaver is dead body. Those are donated by people for educational purposes. So we saw a dead body for the very first time, and tears were rolling down our eyes, not because of the fear, but because of that smell, that irritating smell. The very first day, we were just allowed to sit and watch the cadaver, be familiar with the smell, be familiar with the environment. The very day, anatomy teachers were asking from where do we belong and what or not. I was the only student who was originally a non-bio student. I mean, I was a math student and a bio student. I took PCMB in my plus one plus two. So I told them I was mainly a mathematics student and persuaded medicine after completing 12th standard. After that, I decided that I want to be a doctor. So all the students told what their life was before joining the college, how do they feel, what their main motto is. After these 2 hours, we had lunch break. We went back to hostel, 8-hour lunch. It was something around 1 in the afternoon when we had lunch. I'm not exactly. Okay. 9 to 10 was physiology lecture, 10 to 11 was biochemistry lecture, and 11 to 1 was dissection. Yes, 11 to 1 was dissection. 1 to 2 was lunch break, and 2 to 4 was our first practical. We went for physiology practical. My batch consists of 150 students, and 75 went for physiology, and 75 went for biochemistry practicals. Very first day, hemat lab, and we had to make a smear. Teacher told us how to do it and what a perfect smear looks like, what are its characteristics and all. And we got a landslide and slides. And they asked, prick yourself and make a slide. Prick yourself. Landslide, prick yourself. Half the time was gone, only to think, how am I going to prick myself? I was looking here and there, and everyone was in same dilemma. Everyone somehow gathered courage, actually, after getting scolded by our teachers. We pricked, made a smear. It was nowhere near perfect, but we were happy. It was a little achievement that we did something and that we are going to be a doctor someday. That white apron felt like the happiest feeling. That prick wasn't painful. There was a hidden emotion behind those tears that we shed in dissection hall. These were the little achievements we had. This was the day we dreamed for the last 2 years or more if you have decided early on in your life. This was it. We were in a college. We were having our stethoscope. We were wearing our white coat. So somehow practical went by. No one knew how time flew there. It was 4 and it was time to go back to hostel. We went back to hostel, ate our evening snack, and literally 75% of the hostel went to sleep. It was so tiring, not exactly because of the workload, but because we were exhausted because we were so much enthusiastic the whole day. Around dinner, I guess everyone woke up. 8. We didn't sleep for 4 to 8, but we were kind of living those moments again and again, again and again. So on 6th dinner, we had interactions with our classmates, batchmates. Actually, I had interaction because it was practically the first day for me. Ate our dinner, went to our own rooms, called home, talked to parents, told them about our first day, called called my non-medico friends, told them what all happened on my first day. And I didn't realize when it went from 8 to 11 and it was all dark. It was time to study now. Can you imagine? Like the whole day has passed and now I am realizing that it's time to study now. So from 1 to 3, I guess, 3.5. 1 to 3 or 3.5. 11 to 1, I had studied biochemistry. 1 to 3.5, I studied physics. Completed whatever I was lacking. Not completely, but I tried to study as much as possible. And next day, got scolded by anatomy teacher because I was having no idea what was going on there. We were asked about pectoral region, and I had no idea what pectoral region is. But my teachers were very kind, very helpful, asked us who is having trouble, called them, told them how to do, what to study, and told them to take help from seniors because seniors are the one who will be actually guiding us for the next 5.5 years in our college life. So, senior interaction is also a very nice story to be told. That will be told in some other day. So, this is it. This is how my first day went by. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. Comment down how was your first day in medical college. This was personally my first day. Everyone have their own first day. Everyone has their own experience. This was my experience. So this was content. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. It's I guess 3:30 now. 3:30, 45. I don't know what time it is. I should sleep now. Tomorrow is Ashtami. A lot of work to do at home. Let's wrap it up. Until then, bye. See you soon.